So we've kind of touched on this, but maybe you have like a special technique or something or idea for us. But what is the most effective way, again, to grow a list of coloring book or coloring page buyers, like people who want to buy? Because we could all grow a list of people who will opt in for a coloring page, but how do we get ones that want to buy?
Okay, so I'm going to tell you my strategy and how I grew my list like crazy fast with Color Happy. And what we did is every month we would do a coloring contest. So I mentioned that free coloring page. And so it would be themed around that free coloring page. And it was enter the contest. You get a free coloring page. Go ahead and color it and submit it to the contest. And we made it clear. Our big motto was that we just wanted them to show up as them, that there was no judgment. We didn't care how you colored it. It was if you submitted a page, you got a certain number of entries and it was a random drawing. So there was no judging.
Okay.
And when they went ahead and entered the contest and claimed their free coloring page, I would then offer them immediately a free physical coloring book. We didn't do a lot with physical coloring books. We did have a presence on Amazon, but we gave away one free, because it is fun getting something tangible in the mail. That is something that really does light people up. So it was free plus shipping. So we charged them $4.95 for shipping. I think it cost me between $6 and $10 if it was domestic versus international to ship it. But when they did that, they also got a free month to our subscription program. Wow. And they generally stayed. Our attrition rate was they usually stayed about 3 to 4 months. So we did make back our money on it. And it gave them an opportunity to really see everything that we had. And we did great with that free coloring book offer.